Alright guys, gonna install this fuel pump, block off plate, turbo drain, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna show y'all my leak-free, no leak method. Alright, so clean that mating surface off with a razor blade because it's cast iron, it's not aluminum. If it was aluminum, I'd use a plastic scraper. Okay, but it's cast iron, use a razor blade, got all that off. Clean that off with some prep all and used lint-free cloth, so that's all good. I chased the threads with what you see here, which is a 3/8 by 16 and the large one, and this is crazy. Talk about just wanting to drive us insane. We got a M6 by 1. So M6 by 1 here. This is a thread chaser. It's not a tap. All right, that cleans the threads up, gives us proper torque, proper seal. So that's all been done. Now, when I'm done, this is the way that never leaks, okay? This is a great way. So, come over here. Show y'all right here what's going on. All right, so that's done. Now, we got a lot of different materials. I'm gonna get into that later, but here's a gasket. I'm gonna show y'all how to have a guaranteed leak-free seal with a gasket. All right, so we got our gasket. We got our clean mating surface here. Okay, I'm gonna take gasket, all right, and I'm gonna use a gasket prep. All right, so here we go. See if y'all can see this. This is my favorite stuff. This stuff works every time. All right, there it is right there. Aviation. Told y'all Black Hawk Crew Chief. All right. All right. Now, what we do is we just take some of this and we just coat this up like this. Just getting it sticky. That's all. All right. And I'll get into my video later why we're doing this. But as of right now, if you're using a gasket, just trust me, this works. There's a lot of, as I said, a lot of craziness around gaskets. I really am not a big fan of RTV when it comes to internal engine parts. Only. I just don't like it on internal engine parts. Okay. So there we go. We're gonna put this up here. Okay, like that. Just gonna try to clean my hands so I'm not getting that crap all over everything. All right, we got a bolt here. All right. Get my Loctite. You know, love my Loctite. I don't mess around. Alright, I'll show you here just a little bit. That's all it needs. Just a little bit. Blue Loctite, not red. Ooh, that's it. Alright. Alright, there we go. That's it. I put a little blue Loctite on these ones too. Make sure it's going through the gasket hole. There we go. It is. Putting that in. And then started. One more. Putting that one in. Alright. Like I said, you always want to put all your bolts in, finger tight first. All right. Bam! Found the bolt. All right, put that in there. in Disney World.
He's in Disney?
Yeah.
I didn't know they were going to Disney. It's funny that you were just there yesterday.
I know. That's what I said.
How long are you there?
5 days, he said.
Oh, wow.
Hold on, honey. I'm videoing.
Huh?
I'm videoing.
Oh.
Yeah.
But I've just been on here. Sorry.
Baby, it's okay. It probably
You
adds value.
Can you edit that part out?
No. It's good. Huh? Nothing. Alright, guys. We got, we're gonna do big bowls of 20 foot-pounds. Excuse me, 25 foot-pounds. Bam. Mm-hmm. Remember I mentioned that torque bleed. Mm-hmm. Alright, guys. 10 millimeter socket. 10 newton meters. Not difficult. 10 newton meters. That's it. Bam. I talked about that torque bleed. So we're gonna finish it up. Alright. 25 foot-pounds on the Big Daddies. One more time. So you turned a little bit. The torque bleed there. Alright. There we go. Alright. Then 10 newton meters again on the bottoms. I do this at 3 times most on these type of things. See, it turns a little bit more again. Alright, last time. That time it didn't turn at all. Got the torque bleed out on that one. Didn't turn. Last time. Didn't turn. Just barely. All right, that's it. We done. 10 a.m. Turbo drain adapter. Doot.